Hello all. Welcome to our channel. Today's topic is client-server architecture. We will discuss about server, client, and client-server architecture. Did you ever notice what will happen when we hit google.com? A request will be reached to Google server, and response will come back to you as a web page. Only if the request is valid. When people talk about a server, generally they refer to powerful, centralized computer that client connect to over a network. However, server is not just a physical computer. A server is a role that computer takes. Any ordinary desktop can be set up as a server, and it doesn't need to be a powerful computer. For example, you can set up an ordinary desktop computer as a file server. Other computers can access the files from it. But desktop computers have limitations. It can't handle large workloads. It's not only because of hardware, but also because of software. That's why we need high CPU, memory and better processors for servers. For example, a desktop use a processor of Intel Core, and server use Intel Xeon. Both processors are powerful, but Xeon processors are designed to communicate with multiple processors, whereas Intel Core cannot do it. A server also need to use a server operating system, such as Windows, Linux and so on. These can handle thousands of concurrent requests. Now, there are many different types of servers. When I mean types, I am talking about types of service they provide. For example, a web server helps you to host your website. Database server which acts as backend and stores the data. And an email server facilitates us sending and receiving the emails. Now, a client can be anything which uses the service provided by server. It can be our phones, computers, etc., which access data from servers. In client-server architecture, client sends request, and server responds with proper data if the request is valid. A perfect example is Internet.